Here's the thing about programmatic SEO. Most people know they should be doing it, but they don't, because either it seems complicated or time-consuming. That's where Frase comes in. It doesn't just help you create programmatic content, it actually finds the opportunities for you by analyzing your existing content and search data. I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this in Frase. First approach. I'm in Frase, and I'm heading to the Opportunities tab. Now, Frase is connected to my Google Search Console. That's important because it's analyzing my actual search performance and finding patterns. And take a look. Frase has automatically detected an opportunity to create competitor comparison pages. Let me click into this. It's explaining why this opportunity exists. It found a pattern in my content where comparison pages could scale. It's not just guessing. It's identifying based on real search data and content gaps. It's telling me, generate 8 targeted landing pages comparing my brand to competitors. I'm just going to click Create Brief, and the content will start generating. Once the content is created, you'll find it in the Content section of your account, under In Review. I can see all 6 comparison pages are here. These aren't thin content pages. These are comprehensive, optimized articles. And I can click into any of them to review, edit, or optimize further before publishing. Now, that was the opportunities approach, but here's the second way, which is even more powerful. I'm opening the Frase agent, and I'm just going to ask it, can you find more opportunities to expand the content we've just done? Watch what happens. The agent is now researching. It's looking at what competitors we haven't covered yet, what comparison angles are missing, what the search landscape looks like. And here's what it came back with. 3 tiers of new content opportunities. In total, it found 19 additional competitor comparison pages we should create. So I'm telling it, yes, create all 19 pages. And now it's going to start generating. But here's what I want to show you, what's actually happening behind the scenes. For each of these pages, the agent is running through a complete content workflow. First, it's doing deep research, analyzing the top-ranking pages for this comparison, understanding what makes them rank. Then it's pulling keyword data and decoding user search intent. What are people actually looking for when they search Describely versus competitor X? It's looking at questions people are asking on forums, Reddit, Quora, real questions from real users. The structure is already set from our programmatic templates. Introduction, feature comparison, pricing, use cases, verdict. But the agent is writing unique content for each section based on the specific competitor. And it's optimizing for both SEO, so it ranks on Google, and GEO, so it shows up in ChatGPT and Perplexity searches. Now, these pages come out already optimized, but if I want to go deeper, I can click into any article and see specific optimization suggestions. And here's the final piece, monitoring results. In the SEO analytics section, I can track how these programmatic pages are performing, which ones are gaining traffic, how they're ranking, what keywords they're capturing, and see their visibility in AI search. This is how you scale content intelligently. Not just pumping out pages, but creating strategic content that targets real opportunities and tracking what actually works. So, let's recap. Frase analyzed my content and found programmatic opportunities. I created 8 pages from the Opportunities tab in minutes. Then I asked the agent to find more, and it identified 19 additional pages. Total, 27 new pages, all SEO and GEO optimized, all targeting real search intent. And these aren't generic pages. They're comprehensive, optimized, and designed to convert. If you want to scale your content like this, start a free trial of Frase. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.